Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your subscription with Netflix, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your subscription with Netflix, start by opening the Netflix app or visiting the official Netflix website. If you are using a browser, go to www.netflix.com. Sign into your Netflix account with your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account profile. Look for your account icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Account from the options provided. In the Account Overview, check the Membership and Billing section. Here, you will see the details of your current subscription plan. Verify the plan type to ensure it matches what you expect. If you need more details, click on Manage Subscription. This section will provide information on payment methods and billing cycles. If your subscription is active, you should see a status indicating it. To check your billing history, scroll down to the Membership and Billing section. Click on Billing Details to view recent transactions. If you encounter any issues, scroll to the bottom of the page. There, you will find options for getting help. You can visit the Help Center or contact Netflix support for further assistance. Confirming your subscription is essential for uninterrupted streaming. This process also helps you troubleshoot any potential billing issues. Make sure to keep your payment information updated to avoid service interruptions. Once verified, you can continue enjoying your favorite shows and movies on Netflix. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.